We would like you to consider Ramil for representing the 5th District of Batangas because he's a person who is innovative and he's also very passionate about what he does.
It's nice to hear Ramil being the future board member for the 5th District of Batangas Province. Mahalaga dito ay nauunawaan ni Ramil ang kondisyon ng Batangas at kailangan ang mapangalagaan ang kapaligiran, maproteksyonan ang buhay at property ng mga mamamayan. I think yun yung pinakamahalaga sa isang kandidato. And for me, bilang isang ordinaryong mamamayan, sa akin mahalaga yun. Pangalawa, yung integridad na kung saan ang sinasabi ay nagmamatch doon sa kanyang ginagawa. Bilang nakilala namin si Ramil ng ilang habang taon na rin, at yun yung isang katangian na magiging mabuti para isang member ng board ng district.